Okay, tonight I am going to be doing one that's been on my list for a while. It's from an event that took place back in 2021 from the Sister City organization. It was in part of the week-long celebration uh, for the inauguration of President Joe Biden. And Dimash was a representative of Kazakhstan from the sister cities there. And if you just want to skip ahead to him rather than seeing the whole program, he comes on at about 8 minutes, 44 seconds, somewhere around there. But just to give you a little bit of background, Sister Cities was founded back in 1956 by President Dwight Eisenhower. And it is a nonpartisan, nonprofit organization. And its purpose on there is to uh, make or create the opportunity for interactions between citizen diplomats and volunteers. There's currently over 400 member communities, over 140 countries on that are part of it. And some of the things that they do, they have young artist type showcases that they put on. They do homestays for students where they can spend either a semester or a year at a sister city. And then on an annual basis, they have a youth leadership summit where young students from all around the world come together, ages 14 to 18, and discuss international affairs, looking at it from the youth side on there. And they do give out awards for various projects or individuals who have done exceptional work toward promoting the cultural exchange programs that they have. They also do something as far as setting up uh, educational seminars where guest speakers will go to the sister city and talk on various subjects and that. Uh, they work with the sister cities for business and trade exchange. In community development, there's a lot of different things that they partake in. But anyway, this event, as I said, was them taking part in a worldwide celebration of Joe Biden as the president. And I'm going to go ahead and play it.
This special relationship has been instrumental in helping our organization to grow our global profile. I'd like to give a very special thank you to Second Lady Karen Pence for serving as our honorary vice chairwoman over the past 4 years. She has long been a champion of Sister Cities, and we are so appreciative for all that she did to support our organization as Second Lady. We look forward to her continued support, and just want to say thank you again to Karen and your entire family. Thank you. As we see unprecedented security levels in our nation's capital, this year's inaugural events will look much different than past inaugurations. Last week's devastating attack on our capital shocked and saddened people around the world and proved that the need for mutual respect, cooperation, and peace is more important than ever. As sister cities, we will dedicate ourselves even more to highlighting our shared bond of humanity and fundamental ideas while appreciating our differences. Now on to tonight's exciting program. We are so fortunate to have a world-class MC this evening, Barbara Harrison, a 19-time Emmy Award-winning writer, producer, reporter, and anchor with over 3 decades of experience. Tonight, you will also hear messages of support from senators, ambassadors, and mayors for the mission of Sister Cities, as well as congratulations to President-elect Biden and Vice President-elect Harris. We have some amazing performances from around the world tonight, including a very special performance by international music sensation Dimash. Stay with us until the very end of our program because we will be making a very special announcement from Dimash. We are also honored to recognize 2 remarkable citizen diplomats this evening, the incredible Dionne Warwick, will receive our Eisenhower Peace Prize, and the Honorable Bill Anatoly, Governor of the Chickasaw Nation, will receive our Distinguished Leadership Award. We'll also hear from local volunteers and citizen diplomats from across the globe who continue to stay immersed in the critical work of building peace through people. I'd like to thank all of tonight's sponsors and supporters, particularly Ray and Mike Hyatt and Pathways.org. Ray and Mike Hyatt have been longtime supporters of Sister Cities International. Mike Hyatt is a former chair of our board and currently serves as the global envoy, and we're always so appreciative of their continued support. Pathways.org is doing some amazing work to provide free information to empower parents to help their babies reach important developmental milestones. Thank you for your important work. Finally, I'd like to congratulate President-elect Biden and Vice President-elect Harris. We look forward to Wednesday's inaugural ceremony. Now, I'd like to hand over the program to our amazing gala co-chair, Christine Warnke. Thank you, Christine, for your hard work and leadership.
Thank you, Leroy, our dynamic president of Sister Cities International. My name is Christine Warnke. I am your co-chair of this historic presidential inauguration celebration. I am the result of the spirit of this incredible institution. My mother was born in Greece on a very small island, the country that gave us democracy. My grandparents, both Ukrainian and German, came to the country, settled in South Dakota. But I grew up in Chile, South America. So I embody the richness of all these countries, and I'm so proud of it. Tonight, we're celebrating diversity in this country, and you're gonna see faces, which I call a kaleidoscope of the United States. These are people that are dedicated, that come from all parts of the world. And we thank each of you for participating tonight. I particularly want to thank Dimash, who is an international sensation from Kazakhstan. And I want to thank Kazakhstan for giving us such a talent. And to my friend Dionne Warwick, who I consider the American icon. Thank you, Dionne. To all of you tonight, enjoy it. Thank you for being part of it. And I now have the great honor to introduce an award-winning anchor, journalist, writer. We call her part of our Washington family, and that is Barbara Harrison. Barbara, thank you again for hosting us, and I tell you to take it away.
Thank you, Christine, and good evening, everyone. I'm truly honored to serve as your MC for tonight's virtual gala. You know, throughout my career as a journalist, I've encountered many important causes fighting for change in the world, and one of the most steady, passionate, and truly universal movements I've seen is Sister Cities. Peace and friendship are ideas that can unite us all, regardless of race, color, country, or language. And no matter what happens, remember that all roads lead to diplomacy. Sister Cities International's work has never been more important than right now. Successfully pivoting into the virtual world is not an easy task, and there's much more in store for their network of citizen diplomats in this year, 2021. It's now my honor to introduce the President's own United States Marine Band to present the colors and then perform our national anthem. Founded in 1798, they are America's oldest continuously active professional music organization. trained in classical and contemporary music and possesses an exceptionally wide vocal range. He's famous for hitting notes higher than the highest notes on a grand piano, we hear. Dimash can perform songs in 12 different languages and has performed all around the world. He is a true example of how a single person can build bridges between people and countries. Music can be a powerful form of diplomacy, and we're so grateful to have him with us tonight. So now, ladies and gentlemen, here is Dimash Kudalbergen performing the Kazakh folk song SAMALTAU.
Thank you, Sister Cities, for allowing me this opportunity today.
Солдат болып айдан көрген күнім есіме қайта қайта түсе берді кір жуып күнді кезген айнам қайран елім ат емеспін жаяумын жаяудан да баяумын он бес күндей жүргенде аңғы жаққа таяумын жазым бар құс мәшәлі жылым сүйір тағдырдың айдауымен айнан кеттің қиырай самалтау қайран елім артта қалды ырзыңе найнам тез бір әке шешем бар еді жасы келген кіреді осынау әнді салдырған мынау тыңның ел зар еді ай ай қайран елім шалқар көлім не болар солдат болып айнам көрген күнім
баршаларыңызға тек жақсылық тілеймін. Әлемде бейбітшілік болсын, тыныштық болсын.
All performances can be found on YouTube. And thank you again, and welcome to the Sister Cities family, Dimash.
Okay, I'm not going to do the second part of the program. Got to the part with Dimash, and that was enough for me. I have a couple other versions of this song on my list, and I will get to them later. But I did want to see this one. And that is going to be it for me tonight. Have a good one, everybody, and peace.